Children, welcome back to the session 2 of statistics. We have seen what is data and what is the use of statistics in our day to day life. Now, we are going to see how to make a frequency table in statistics. How to make a frequency table. So, let's take one question from the exercise. So, here is the question which gives the blood group of 30 students. You can see here this is the data which gives the blood groups of 30 students of class 8th. Okay, we have to represent this data in the form of frequency distribution table. Okay, now why do we make a frequency table? What is the need of frequency and what do you mean by frequency? Let's see that. Excuse me. So if I ask you how many students have blood group O, so you have to count it again and again. Okay, blood group O, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So 12 students have the blood group O, which is very time consuming task. Now these are 30 students, so I did it so quickly. If you have to find how many students in the whole school have blood group O, or how many persons in Hyderabad have blood group O, so you cannot count it again and again. It will be very tedious, very time consuming task for you. Or if suppose if there is a company in which if you want to find how many employees joined the company in 2010, so you can't call the employees those who joined in 2010 and you can count, so it will be very difficult. So it's better if we have the data in the form of frequency table. So what is frequency? The frequency of blood group O is 12. So blood group O is 12 times. So for that, to avoid this problem, we will make a frequency table. So for making the frequency table, as you can see, there are how many blood groups here? Yeah, there are 4 blood groups, A, B, AB and O. Okay, let's count one more blood group in this. Let's count how many students have the blood group A. So it's excuse me, let me change the color for your convenience. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 students have blood group A and so on. So for this type of questions we must make a frequency table, because we cannot count every time when a person asks us something, some information. So this data should be stored, this type of data can be stored in the form of frequency table. So first thing what we have to do is we should write all the blood groups. So what are the different blood groups? I have written here A, B, AB and O. There is no fifth category in this. So this is the first column you should make, and if it's better if you make the columns proper columns like this. Okay, now next, now we have to do tally marks. What do you mean by tally marks? Let's see that now. You can do tally marks or you can directly write the frequency. So for tally marks, usually what do we do? Blood group A, how many times do we have blood group A? 9. So we'll put 1 2 2 3 4 fifth will be cross. Okay, 4, 6, 7, 8, and this is 9. So this is the way we tally marks. So the blood group A is 9 times, that is the frequency. Then we'll go for blood group B. Let's see how many times we have blood group B. It's let's change the color for your convenience. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. So this blood group B is 6 times. So let me tally it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, fifth line will be cross. It's a group of 5. Then 6. So when you tally it, you are getting it 6. Then we'll go for blood group O, which we have already counted. How many students have got the blood group O? Yes, that is 12. So if I tally this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For every fifth line, it will be a cross. 10. So we have got 10, 11, 12. Okay. So these are the 12 lines. Then leftover is AB. So how many times do we have AB? AB is 1. It's 1, 2, 3, 3 times. So we have 3 times the blood group AB, 1, 2, and 3. Let me write it here. Okay. So when you add, you should not miss any observation, otherwise you will get the wrong total, wrong sum. So this is the way we find the frequency table. So this table will make our work very easy. If somebody asks you how many students have blood group O or B, you can easily say that these many have this blood group. Now there are some questions in this. So let's see what are those questions. He is asking which is the most, let me erase this. He is asking which is the most common. So can you say which is the most common blood group? The most common is 12. That is O. Blood group O is the most common. So you can see here the most common blood group is O. Write O here, okay, which is hidden. O. Then next question is which is the rarest blood group? Which is the rarest blood group? So can you say which is the rarest here? Means which blood group is less in number or only few students have? So that is 3, AB. So blood group AB is the rarest blood group. So this is the best way of making the frequency table. After making the frequency table, we can plot this on the graph using the bar graph, that is called presentation. As you already know, statistics deals with the collection. So this was collection, then classification, then analyzing will study the data, and presentation of data. Okay, hope it's clear to you all.